Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see Parichay lesson 12, Sharir ke Ang exercise part. Already we have discussed this lesson. I have given that lesson explanation video link in the description box below. Also I have given the link of playlist Parichay, all the lessons playlist in the description box below. Now we will go to the exercise part. We will see the Shabdarth meanings. Ank, Ank means eye. Ank, eye. Kan, ear. Kan, ear. Naak, nose. Naak, nose. Mukh, mouth. Mukh, mouth. Haath, hand. Haath, hand. Pair, foot. Pair, foot. Ungli, finger. Ungli, finger. Sharir, body. Sharir, body. Ang, organ of the body. Ang, organ of the body. Bag, part. Bag, part. Sir, head. Sir, head. Ball, hair. Ball, hair. Chehra, face. Chehra, face. Jeep, tongue. Jeep, tongue. Dant, tooth. Dant, tooth. Matha, forehead. Matha, forehead. Gal, cheek. Gal, cheek. Sans, breath. Sans, breath. Bhojan, food. Bhojan, food. Shakti, power. Shakti, power. Koon, blood. Koon, blood. Dimag, brain. Dimag, brain. Adesh, command. Adesh, command. Raksha, safety. Raksha, safety. Zaruri, necessary. Zaruri, necessary. Now we will go to the Abhyas part. Here some words are given. You have to understand the meaning of the word. Write the same word in Hindi and practice the spelling of the words in Hindi. First one, move. Move means mouth. Haath, hand. Ank, eye. Kan, ear. Kan, ear. Naak, nose. Naak, nose. Bag, part. Bag, part. Bal, bal means hair. Safed, safed means white. Panch, five. Panch, five. Bhojan, food. Bhojan, it is food. Shakti, power. Shakti, power. Next, mukh means mouth. Mukh, mouth. We have tried the word in Hindi itself and practice the spelling of that word. But before that, we should understand the meaning of the word. That is why I am telling the meaning. Mukh, mouth. So once you understand the meaning, you immediately write and see the spelling. So this will improve our vocabulary in Hindi. Haath, hand. Haath, hand. Pair, leg. Pair, leg. Ungli, finger. Ungli, finger. Sharir, body. Sharir, body. Andar, inside. Andar, inside. Jeeb, tongue. Jeeb, tongue. Dant, teeth. Dant, teeth. Sans, breath. Sans, breath. Prakar, type. Different type. Prakar means in different kind. खून blood, रूप form, दिमाग brain, आदेश order or the आदेश command, रक्षा safety. So now we go to the fill in the blanks given. First one, शरीर सिर शरीर का ऊपरी डैश है. सिर means head, शरीर means body, ऊपरी means upper. So upper means dash है. So the head is in the upper part of the body. For part we say बाग in Hindi. So सिर शरीर का ऊपरी बाग है. बाग means part. Head is the upper part of the body. Head is present in the upper part of the body. सिर शरीर का ऊपरी भाग है. So that is the answer. First question answer is बाग for the fill in the blanks. Second one, खाली जगह भरो. In that first one answer is बाग. Second one, नाक के डैश मुंह है. नाक means nose. मुंह means mouth. So nose, below the nose we have the mouth. Mouth is below the nose. That is the meaning of this sentence. So below means नीचे. Down. Down means नीचे. So mouth is below the nose. Below we are saying नीचे. नाक के नीचे मुंह है. Mouth is below the nose. So answer for the second fill in the blanks is नीचे. Now third question. Third fill in the blanks. हर हाथ में 5 डैश है. So हर means each. हाथ means hand. 5 5 5 5. 5 means 5. 5 5 5 5. So totally 10 dash है. So each hand has 5 fingers. For fingers we say उंगलियां. One finger means ungli we say. So more than one plural it is. So it is ungliyan, fingers. So each hand has 5 fingers. हर हाथ में 5 उंगलियां है. Each hand has 5 fingers. So each hand has 5 fingers. हर हाथ में 5 उंगलियां है. So answer for the third fill up is उंगलियां. Fourth question. Fourth fill in the blanks. भोजन से सभी अंगों को डैश मिलती है. भोजन means food. So when we take our breakfast, lunch or dinner, we take some food. So by eating that food, we get strength, power to the all the parts of the body. Sabhi ang, all the organ of the body, all the parts of the body. So strength, power we say Shakti in Hindi. Shakti means power or strength. भोजन से सभी अंगों को शक्ति मिलती है. So answer for the four fill in the blanks is Shakti. Fifth fill up. शरीर के हर अंग की रक्षा डैश है. So each part of the body has to be protected. Necessarily protected. So necessary we say zaruri. Each part of the body has to be necessarily protected, safeguarded. So शरीर के हर अंग की रक्षा जरूरी है. That is the answer. So fifth fill in the blanks answer is zaruri. Now we go to the questions. बताओ और लिखो. First question answers. First one, मुंह के अंदर क्या क्या है? So inside the mouth, what all we have? Muh means mouth, andar means inside. Inside the mouth, what all do we have? That is the question. So inside the mouth, we have tongue and teeth. For tongue, we say jeeb, and teeth we say dant. So answer for this question is मुंह के अंदर जीभ और दांत है. So inside the mouth we have tongue and teeth. मुंह के अंदर जीभ और दांत है. मुंह के अंदर जीभ और दांत है. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, हमारे कितने कान है? हाउ मेनी ईयर्स डू वी हैव? हमारे अवर कितने, हाउ मेनी कान years. So how many years do we have? We have 2 years. 2 means we say दो कान. So हमारे दो कान है. हमारे दो कान है. That is the answer for the second question. हमारे दो कान है. Third question, हम आंखों से क्या करते हैं? हम means we, आंख means, आंखों means eyes, more than one eye. So आंखों, eyes, plural. What do we do? क्या means what? करते हैं. Do. What do we do with our eyes? हम आंखों से क्या करते हैं? So what do we see? We see with our eyes. What do we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. So see means देखना. So हम आंखों से देखते हैं. That is the answer. हम आंखों से देखते हैं. That is the answer for the third question. हम आंखों से देखते हैं. Fourth question, हाथ में कितनी उंगलियां हैं? हाथ मीन्स हैंड, इन में मीन्स इन. सो इन द हैंड हाउ मेनी, कितनी मीन्स हाउ मेनी, कितनी मीन्स हाउ मेनी, एंड उंगलियां मीन्स फिंगर्स. सो हाउ मेनी फिंगर्स डू वी हैंड हैव इन द हैंड? हाथ में कितनी उंगलियां हैं? हाथ में 10 उंगलियां हैं. दोनों हाथ में 10 उंगलियां हैं. और वी कैन राइट हाथ में 5 उंगलियां हैं. दैट इज द आंसर फॉर द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. 5 मीन्स 5 फिंगर्स. सो ईच हैंड वी हैव 5 फिंगर्स. सो हाथ में कितनी उंगलियां हैं? आंसर इज हाथ में 5 उंगलियां हैं. दैट इज द आंसर फॉर द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, सभी अंगों को कहाँ से शक्ति मिलती है? सभी अंगों को, all the parts of the body, all the organs of the body. अंगों means parts of the body or organs of the body. सभी means all. कहाँ से, from where? शक्ति, power और strength मिलती है, get. So all the parts of the body. So from where do the power come to all the part of the body? From where to the power come to all the parts of the body? That is the question. So when we eat, the power comes to all the parts of the body. That is the answer. So eat means भोजन. भोजन से सभी अंगों को शक्ति मिलती है. That is the answer for the fifth question. सभी अंगों को शक्ति मिलती है. भोजन से, भोजन means by eating food, lunch, breakfast or dinner, all the parts of the body gets energy. भोजन से सभी अंगों को शक्ति मिलती है. That is the answer for the fifth question. Hope you all understood the exercise part for शरीर के अंग, lesson 12 परिचय. Practice and the lesson will become easy for all. Thank you.